Holden Commodore SV6 2015, coated twice with poly and quartz for a 3-year protection, 100 times thicker than wax, designed to stop impurities from eating in, to protect the paint from fading. Plus, it will give it all those hydrophobic properties that will allow it to be very clean most of the time and easy to clean most of the time. The rims have been coated twice as well for a 1-year protection. This will allow the rims to stay clean for longer, plus the cleaning will be easy, plus it will stop all the brake dust that adds in and starts eating into the rim. We've also done the trimming, which gives it a nice satin finish. Tail lights and headlights have been done as well. Just give you a quick tour. All the black parts have been coated as well. All in all, the job took about 8 hours, just the coating part. This is what the cloth turns into once the coating dries on it. Full curing takes 5 days. These are the cloths that we're gonna throw away, just because we can't do anything with them anymore. They're too tough. They've hardened up. These are the products we've been using: poly, quartz, headlight, rim and trim. So it does take a bit of time, but it will keep this beauty looking good for long. Thanks for watching.